Welcome to PATRIOTS IAS Academy. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. A true conservationist is a man who knows that the world is not given by his fathers but borrowed from his children. Environmental conservation. Environmental conservation is a practice that paves the way for protecting the environment and natural resources on individual, organization as well as government levels. There are various core environmental issues that are taking a heavy toll on human lives, ranging from overpopulation, hydrological issues, ozone depletion, global warming, to deforestation, desertification, and pollution. All these issues pose a severe threat to the existence of humankind. Unless environmental conservation is becoming an effective mass movement, it is futile to expect positive growth, especially in the age of digital media, which holds the potential to bring a revolution to save our planet from the destruction. Importance of environmental conservation. The following pointers elucidate the crucial need to save environment from further degradation, to reduce air, water, land pollution, to facilitate conservation of natural resources for future generation, to ensure protection of biodiversity, to implement sustainable development, to restore ecological balance, to save the planet from harmful repercussions of global warming. What are the methods of environmental conservation? First one, forest conservation. The plant trees are the essential source of food, as well as other day-to-day products as we use. Forests are dwelling place of different living creatures, and a single disturbance in the ecosystem can cause disruption in the water cycle as well as the food chain. Thus, afforestation is among the core environmental conservation and aims to plant more trees as well as save the existing ones from cutting down, as trees play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. So, first method is forest conservation. Forests are dwelling place of different living creatures, and a single disturbance in the ecosystem can cause disruption in the water cycle as well as in the food chain. Afforestation, planting more trees, plant more trees as well as saving existing ones from cutting down, as trees play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. Second one is soil conservation. As one of the prominent methods for environmental conservation, the need for soil conservation has arisen to tackle harmful effects of soil pollution. On Earth, the soil is the main element that plays a pivotal role in soil erosion, land degradation, and floods. Soil is filled with rich nutrients for plant production. Soil conservation can be carried out ensuring minimal use of fertilizers, venomous chemicals, as well as abolishing the disposal of harmful industrial waste in the soil. So, soil conservation. Soil is filled with rich nutrients for plant production. Soil conservation can be carried out by ensuring minimal use of fertilizers, venomous chemicals, abolishing disposal of harmful industrial waste in the soil. Third one is waste management. Especially in developing countries and mostly in metropolitan cities, a large amount of waste is thrown away recklessly on the streets and roads. This improper disposal of waste segregation can lead to dreadful diseases as well as soil pollution. To ensure minimal wastage as well as facilitate waste disposal, we can opt various techniques like 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse, and recycle, dry and waste segregation, among others. So, in the developing countries and in the metropolitan cities, waste are thrown recklessly on the streets and roads. This improper disposal of waste segregation can lead to various dreadful diseases as well as soil pollution. We can adopt the 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse, and recycle method for the waste management. The fourth one is creating public awareness. There is a dire need to aware the mass of the consequence of environmental pollution and degradation. The boom of information technology And the advent of digital media, public awareness pertaining to environmental conservation can potentially yield promising result. Right. Every individual should be made conscious of how they are polluting the environment and what steps can be taken to implement environmental conservation. Right. So the individual has to make them conscious how they are polluting the environment and what step each individual can take to implement environmental conservation. Fifth one is pollution control. An increase in temperature concerning there is a need to keep a watch on the toxic compounds we ingest and that pollute the atmosphere. We need to adopt environmental sustainable methods to minimize multiple forms of emission such as eliminating waste, saving electricity, limiting unnecessary usage of fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides, and use of energy efficient appliances among others. So fifth one is pollution control. So ways to conserving the environment. Deforestation must be stopped. Afforestation is the best way to conserve the environment. Non-renewable resources must be used properly. Create public awareness, control pollution and population, recycle goods, adopt environment-friendly lifestyle, adopt waste management techniques. That is 3R is one of the technique. And species on the verge of extinction should be saved. So these are the ways of conserving the environment. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Please share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.